I live here. This is my place. 1333. Come on in. This is the kitchen. You can't look at it. It's nasty. This is our living rooms, plural. Living room number 1. First off, in the living room, we have our cat corner for where all the cats play. All the cats means 2. We have 2 cats. This is the coffee table. Yeah, it's pretty sturdy, as you can see. And this is the nice couch we got secondhand, and it's also really sturdy and really big and nice. We love it. So we have our stripper pole that everybody loves to dance on. It is a wonderful addition to the living room, and I highly recommend it. It's a good aerobic activity for fitness. We have the records on the wall because it was Bailey's birthday last month, and she had a rockstar themed birthday, and we just never took it down. This lamp, I love it so much because I always see it in TV shows when they're trying to be like vintage. They just have that exact lamp in like every TV show ever, and you don't notice it until you have the lamp, but then once you notice it, it's like everywhere. It's pretty funny. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And this is the second living room. This is my favorite by far. This couch, it was our first couch. We used to just have this couch. And then we got the other one, but this one is obviously the best one because I like it. And it usually has like less cat hair on it. Oh, this rug. This rug is beautiful and it is so pretty. I also like the little room divider. I love room dividers so much, but I never know what to do with them, but we just put it in the corner and it looks nice, so. And I'm not quite sure what that little stand thing is. It looks like a shrine or like a memorial to someone's dead grandma, but none of our grandmas are dead. It's just like there. Also, I'm sure some of our grandmas are dead. I don't know why I said that. This is my mannequin boyfriend. Oh! Y'all, Stranger Things in here, y'all. This is our couch. It's real tore up good. Oh, this is my poor. This was the first victim of spider mites over here. Unfortunately, it's very, very dead. Yeah, it was absolutely covered in spider mites, like it had webs on it. Yeah, this is the table that we painted to look like a diner. It's not real checkerboard, if you can't tell. And sad story, we had a fish named Apollo. He passed away, unfortunately, a couple months ago. This is the bathroom. We have some nice artwork, a lot of artwork. We have some nice stolen signs in the bathroom, men, woman, baby, etc. Yeah, it's pretty nice. And this is where we keep the drugs at. Welcome to my room. I live here and sleep here. This is my photo wall with my friends. My books, some of my books. The glass I stole from Elvacaro. And yeah, this is my bed. It's so comfy. This is my tapestry. It's fun. It's really fun. I'm beginning an art wall over here. It's started. I have some more pieces to go with this, and this somehow needs to go. But yeah, this is a Playboy bunny, student protest, lesbian community, yada yada yada. This is my huge lovely mirror. It's my favorite. I love it so much. Everybody loves it because it makes everybody look super skinny. And yeah, I'm curing everybody's body issues with this mirror. And these are some vinyls I have. My little skeleton guy. And some plants. This is my crystal collection. She's really lovely. Yeah, there's a lot of them. I've been collecting them a long time. And then we have some more books. Lots of books. And some more dead roses to complement my other dead roses. And some more plants that are dying. Because I don't give them enough attention sometimes. But also because they have spider mites. Unfortunately. So this is my closet. I adore my closet. I love my closet. It's a little messy right now. I have everything sectioned off real nice. We got pants, shirts, lingerie, jewelry, etc. Yeah, it's really nice. Alright guys, I loved having you over, but I'm gonna have to say goodbye for now. Hope to see you soon.